Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Seven planetary systems, they correspond to the seven colors and the seven jewels of the yogi.
No, there is seven planetary systems over Earth and seven planetary systems down Earth. Therefore, this universe is called Chaturdash Bhuvan, 14 planetary systems. This is called Bhulok. Above this, there is Bhuvarlok. Above that, there is Janalok. Above that, there is Mahalok. Above that, there is Satyalok. Above that, there is Brahmalok, the highest planetary system. Similarly, down also, we have got Tal, Atal, Talatal, Nital, Patal, Rasatal. This information we get from Vedic literature. 14 worlds. Each and every universe is consisting of these 14 planetary systems. And there are innumerable universes. That we also get information from Brahma Samhita. Jasa Prabha Prabhavatu Jagadanda Koti. Jagadanda Koti. Jagadanda means this universe is a big I mean to say, volume, just like pond of egg. Everything, every planet is just like egg. This Brahmanda, this universe is also like egg. So there are many millions of Jagadanda. And in each and every Jagadanda, Kotishu Vasudhadi Vibhuti Bhinnam, there are innumerable planets also. So these are the information we get from Vedic literature. If you like, you can accept. If you don't like, you can reject. That is up to you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.